Alright guys, today is another day that our good God has made, so that we should be glad and rejoice in it. Alright, so today I'm teaching you how to play Idinma by Judikay. Alright, so I'll play the song normally, then I give you a full piano tutorial of it. Alright, I've transposed the song to C. Yeah, so we'll play on C. Normally the song is not on C, but I've transposed it to C. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so that's all about the song. So let me show you. Let me start with the intro of the song. So the intro is a very simple one. All right, this intro of the song gives the chorus of the song itself. So once you know how to play the intro, the chorus is simple. So let's go. So okay, do mi re do ti la. I take it slowly. We are playing octaves from me to me. Okay, mi re do ti la. So when you do that, the first one you play 1. That's C, G, and C. Mi re do. When you are going to T, you go to G. T, do, T, la. Okay, go to 4. Now, the other part. Okay, re, mi, we are still on fa. Re, mi, fa, fa, re, mi. You can play 2. Let's substitute it with 2 since we already play fa. Okay, so re, mi, fa, fa, mi, fa, fa, mi, 1. Okay. Re, mi, fa, 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 mi, re, do, mi, so, fa, mi, re, do. So why doing that? Mi, fa, fa. So you play 2. Re, mi, fa, fa. that's all about the intro. And the intro of the song gives the chorus of the song itself. So it's that intro has chord progression of 1, 5, 4, then 2, 4, 5, and 1. Idinma, Idinma, okay, so they add something, mi, fa, sol, just to spice it up. Mi, fa, sol. Okay, so the song itself now is the verse of the song. All right, so I changed the Galaxy to grand piano. So it's a 1. My eyes have seen, my ears have heard of the mighty things and powerful yourself. Good fast shepherd, good lover. So it's a 1. My eye, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 4, 4, 4, and 5, 5. Okay, so I was adding something. Let me start again. I was adding something there. 1, 1, 1, 1, and 4, 4. All right, so I was adding this guy. This one is like a passing chord. Go to 2, then 5, 4, and 1. Okay. My eyes, I'm playing. My eyes have seen, my ears have heard of the mighty deeds and powerful song. So guys, that's nearly all about the song. I hope you have learned something, right? After the first verse, you go to the second verse. Oyo yo chomuma, yeah, oyo yo chomuma, obele saligwe. There's a melody. So that's all about the song, guys. So after that, it's just a repetition. I hope you learned something. Do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.